tools, maybe a big bucket wheel or a scraper chain, sometimes a rotating drum to pull the material back onto another conveyor.
Okay, let's look at the types. How do they maintain that blend? Starting with the one you said gives the absolute best quality control.
That is, hands down, the bridge type reclaimer. It's impressive. A massive bridge structure that literally spans the entire width of the pile.
Like a bridge over a river of limestone.
Pretty much. And underneath that bridge, you have multiple scraper chains working together.
Okay.
The whole thing moves along rails, reclaiming material evenly across the full width.
So it's not scooping, it's scraping the whole face at once, like a giant squeegee.
Or, I like your earlier idea, a massive automated cheese slicer is a great analogy. Imagine that layered pile is like a giant layer cake.
Yeah.
The bridge reclaimer cuts a perfect vertical slice, top to bottom, side to side. Every single scoop or scrape contains a bit of every layer the stacker